Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can check in online with PNG Air. So stay with me in this video and watch till the end. By the end of the video, you'll be able to know how to check in online with PNG Air. Let's dive in. Alright, once you click your browser and you search for PNG Air's website, this is the official website where you'll be seeing. Alright, up here where you see book flight, manage booking, corporate login, these three options here. For the book flight, that's the option where you want to pay for your ticket online. But in this video, we'll be talking about how you can check in online with PNG Air. So we'll have to select the middle option here, manage booking option. Once you click this, you'll see it will tell you to enter the surname of the person traveling on the plane and the booking reference of his or her ticket. For me here, you see, I'll check in online for my wife who will be traveling to Leh. So I've already entered her name and her booking reference here. So after entering the surname and the booking reference, you then click OK. It says, please specify a valid booking reference. So that means the booking reference entered here is wrong. So I'll check the ticket again. And this is the correct booking reference. So I'll just copy it. Copy and then I'll paste it here. Alright, this is the correct booking reference. And then I click OK. And it is now taking me to this check-in page here. You see, it says Jane Guerrero, adult, not checked in yet. So she's not checked in yet. So I'll now check in for her. This is the option that I'll click. I just click check in. And you see, it's now saying boarding pass. So I'll click this option here. And you see, I have the option to email the boarding pass to my email, or if I have a printer connected to this laptop, I'll just click print and print directly from the printer. But in this case, I'll just send the boarding pass to my email. So I'll just click send. And you see, success, boarding pass email to my email address. So let's see. Let's check my email address to confirm if the boarding pass has already been sent to my email. All right. Gmail. Okay, you see, this is the confirmed boarding pass that I just checked in online for my wife. See, it says boarding pass, the name of the person traveling on the plane or who will be traveling on the plane, departure time and boarding time, booking reference, and pretty much everything that says about boarding pass is given. You can either print this out and hold it with you and go to the airport, or you can just leave it in the phone as a soft copy, and when you arrive at the airport and when it's time for boarding the plane, you can just show this soft copy here in order to get onto the plane. That's what I usually do. I don't waste time printing hard copy and taking it to the airport with me. I only use the soft copy here, which is usually on my phone. I used to show them and get on the plane. So that's it. That's how you can check online with PNG Air, or check in online with PNG Air. If you are pleased with every content that I am uploading here on this channel, please hit like and subscribe to this channel. More valuable contents will be coming up. Now, if you want to know how to purchase PNG tickets online, check this video here.